So if you do shopping online, you need to download this one app right now. So this app is TopCashback. I've been using this now for quite a long time, for the last couple of years. And what I've been doing is I've been getting cash back on my purchases just from doing my regular shopping, which is absolutely amazing. So if I open up TopCashback, what you will notice is that on the main homepage here, it's got a lot of retail stores and some of the top retail stores and online retailers directly on the homepage, and we've also got trending retailers and things like that. So you've got H&M, you've got Boots, you've got Argos, Samsung, Very, Currys, and many more big ones. Now you've even got travel and stuff like that, and even fitness and clothing brands. So essentially what you do on Top Cashback is you do your regular shopping, but whenever you are going to check out, you do it through Top Cashback. And let's just say that I'm going to shop at Argos. What I would do is I would open it up here, and if I want to do a tech purchase, I will go ahead and purchase that television, for example, and then I will get 3% cash back on that purchase. And essentially what you are getting is you are getting free money back whenever you make a purchase, as you would normally. Now I will leave a link to Top Cashback in the description, and if you sign up and make one purchase through Top Cashback, you will be eligible for a bonus. So it's just that simple, guys. Top Cashback is amazing. If you haven't checked it out already, I urge you to check it back, especially if you are shopping online. You can do your shopping through the app, and you will then be able to earn cash back on all of your regular purchases.